Hello Excel enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. Today video is going to be very short because I am going to share with you guys a very easy trick to sum your numbers in just a second. What we do, usually we write the formula here to get the sum of the numbers and press tab, and we have to select the whole number series. So instead of this, what we will do, we will press alt equal to, your whole number will automatically get selected and you just have to press enter. This is very easy formula to sum up your numbers. If your numbers are in series, you can easily apply this formula, and instead of using sum formula equals to sum then selecting whole text, you can easily apply this and sum your numbers in just a second. If you like our video, please share, comment, subscribe, follow Excel up to excel such skills. Thank you.